Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blenders for crushing ice that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Breville BBL 920DBL Super Q Commercial Grade Home Blender. The best blender for crushing ice is the Breville the Super Q BBL 920. This high-end blender excels when it comes to crushing ice, outperforming competitors from other segment leaders, such as Vitamix. Its big 68-ounce capacity and ice crush blending program make it a superb option for crushing ice or making big batches of frozen drinks. It boasts fantastic build quality, featuring sturdy jars and a stainless steel motor base. Aside from ice crushing, it's ideal for processing fibrous ingredients, allowing you to create well-blended smoothies or frozen drinks. It also has no problem processing recipes like nut butter or hummus. That said, if you primarily use your blender for crushing ice or making blended beverages, you might prefer a less expensive option below. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Ninja Full-Size and Personal Blender. This sturdy blender isn't as well built as the Breville the Super Q BBL 920 and has a less versatile performance, but it's just as good for ice crushing. It has a pulse mode that can help break up big chunks of ingredients, and you can also use its automatic blend sense feature for snow-like crushed ice. The 72-ounce main jar is large enough for multiple servings of slushies or blended margaritas at your next party, and the lid features a pouring spout, making it easy to serve drinks directly from the pitcher. It comes with a pair of 24-ounce jars, so you don't have to use the big pitcher when blending for one. It creates a very smooth blend with fibrous ingredients in the personal jars, which is essential for the silkiest fruit smoothies. Although it produces a less smooth blend in its main pitcher, it still does a good overall job. At number 3, we have the Ninja Professional Plus Blender. If you don't plan to use your blender for much besides crushing ice, a straightforward, budget-friendly blender might be just what you need. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ is just as good at making snow-like crushed ice as the previous picks, but its lower price comes with a worse performance for other recipes. It only comes with one 72-ounce jar, but its controls include a button for pulse mode, which can be useful for breaking up bigger chunks of ice, as well as a few automatic blending programs, so you don't have to manually shut off the blender when a recipe is done. The lid features a pouring spout, making it easy to serve drinks directly from the pitcher. However, it doesn't make a completely smooth blend with fibrous fruits and vegetables, which can result in smoothies and blended cocktails having leafy bits or grains left over. It also has the same blade design as the Ninja Detect Duo Power Blender Pro, which makes it difficult to clean by hand. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker Quiet Blender. If you want an inexpensive blender that can still crush ice, consider the Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. This blender's ice crushing performance is a step down from the previous picks, but if you work with smaller batches of about 6 ice cubes, it makes decent crushed ice. It's also quite versatile, as it can smoothly blend fibrous ingredients like leafy greens or fruit, and it's fairly easy to use to make smooth, spreadable nut butter. While some parts of the blender feel a bit cheap, it's adequately well built and comes with a sturdy glass pitcher. Its removable blades help make it very easy to clean, and it's quiet for a full-size blender. Overall, while it doesn't pulverize ice cubes as efficiently as the pricier options, it's worth considering if you want a cheap blender that can crush ice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Foodi Blender. If you generally blend for just yourself or one other person, you might not want a bulky, full-size blender for crushing ice. Personal blenders are smaller, but aren't always suitable for ice crushing, Enter the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, which has no issue crushing ice in either of its 24-ounce jars. Its short, compact motor base also makes it easy to store out of the way in a cupboard. It also excels at processing fibrous ingredients, allowing you to create silky, single-serve drinks with ingredients like kale. The jars each come with a resealable lid to bring your drink on the go. It's loud but has a few automatic blending programs, so you can step away from the blender while it's running. It's versatile for a personal blender thanks to its 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker that works very well for thick mixtures like nut butter. It's well built, like the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ, but it doesn't feel as sturdy as the more expensive blenders on this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.